Hey, welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. I've been a lawyer in Orlando for 30 years. I've had a radio show for 25 years today. And today, November 20th, 2011, first time ever that I am completely off script. I am not sitting here answering legal questions. I'm telling you my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the world today. And so I've had a lot of fun. I've had a lot of fun, and so maybe we can do it again sometime. Now, there have been people that have been holding on patiently, so I do want to get them before we run out of time today. So let's start with Tom in Lake County. Tom, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead. Hey, Tom, you're on the air.
Yeah.
Hey,
Can
Tom.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. It kind of sounds like you're trying to play both sides of the aisle here. You're either a fiscal conservative or you're not. And if you're a fiscal conservative, I don't see how you can agree with some of the things you're in the profession of being an attorney, and so your job is to solicit new clients.
Well, I'm not, Tom, when I say fiscal conservative, I mean that personally, I manage my own money conservatively. I save for a rainy day. I drive a 2002 car, a car that is almost 10 years old. I want our government to be fiscally conservative too. And while we're on that point, by the way, folks, I want our government to focus on what is going on inside our own country's boundaries. All right, let's get out of the nation building and saving the rest of the world. Let's focus on what's going on here. That's what I mean by I am being a fiscal conservative, and I hope there are a lot of other people out there agree. Let's go to Jeff in Orlando. Jeff, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Hey, Tom. Thanks for taking my call.
Sure.
Just had kind of a quick point that I've read, other places, and I'm not sure the listeners maybe have come across it, but talking about the parallels between the Occupy Wall Street movement and the Tea Party, and basically sort of the subtext of both of those groups is the objection to the sort of the privatization of profits for corporations, but the socialization of the losses. And I think you got to decide which way you want it.
I agree. So Occupy is against government bank bailouts. There's a socialization of the corporations, by the way. Hey, Jeff, thank you for sharing that with me. By the way, one thing I want to focus on is they say, Tom, greed is good, capitalism good. It does not serve our collective soul. And so, folks, one example I want to give you is this. I love Costco. I love Costco. I love spending my money there. I love the experience that I had there. Costco CEO makes $350,000 a year. Proof that businesses can be run in a collective soul. Their minimum wage is $17 there per hour. When they think in terms of our collective soul, what's best for our society, Costco right there, folks. Hey, we have run out of time for today. I do so much appreciate you understanding and being with me during this hour, and maybe we can do it again. Don't forget that I do videotape all these radio shows, and I post these videos at 11lawyers.com, so check us out sometime in the future. Hey, folks, thanks so much for all your great calls and questions and comments. And if I may, a suggestion for you, go outdoors and take pleasure in the beauty of nature, and as always, enjoy your friends and family. My name is Tom Olsen. You're listening to News Talk WDBO.
You give me reason to live. You give me reason to live. You give me reason to live.
WDBO AM, WDBO FM, Orlando. News on the hour, the half, and when it breaks. FM.